Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Thomas Garrett's No Face YouTube course, okay? And perhaps you came across this video and you're wondering whether you can make money with YouTube without showing your face like this necessarily, right? So we're going to take a look at No Face YouTube course, and then you can decide whether or not you want to invest into this program and decide whether or not you want to create a no-faced, video channel on YouTube to make money, right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, 100% from home, all you need to do is just click the link below and I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email if you want to check that out. All right, now I've reviewed hundreds of different courses from all over the world, all sorts of different marketers, all sorts of different business models, all sorts of different strategies to make money online, and some of them are great and you can potentially make a lot of money, but some of them are a little bit of a waste of time and very, very difficult for you to make a lot of income. So let's take a look at the No Face YouTube course to find out if this is a good way for you to create income for yourself. All right, now Thomas Garrett, first of all, he's the creator of the No Face YouTube course. He is a pretty big YouTuber. If we go to his channel right here, you can see he's got 467,000 subscribers. So Thomas knows what he's doing, okay? You can see some of his videos right here, 27,000 views on this one, 125,000 views on this one. So Thomas has been around the block. He knows what he's doing, okay? 185,000 views on this one. So pretty big YouTuber right here, right? Now let's talk about the course so that you understand what you're going to be doing, okay? So in this particular program, he's going to teach you how to create videos where you are basically going to do everything yourself, right? So there are two types of strategies when it comes to YouTube. Actually, there's quite a few, but the two main ones are where you would record a video and show your face just like I'm doing right now. And a lot of what Thomas does, he's doing that as well, okay? So on his videos right here, he's actually showing his face. So he's branding himself, Thomas. He's talking about the make money space, about all sorts of different strategies. He ranks his videos onto YouTube, and then he makes money from selling affiliate products and also getting paid by ad revenue when people actually watch his videos. All right, so that's what he's doing. But on his No Face YouTube course, he's going to teach you how to get in front of an audience, right? Pick a niche, basically create videos in that particular niche without actually showing your face, right? And so he's going to teach you how to do the scripting, the narrating, the screen recording, the editing of the videos, and then you have to upload it as well. So you have to do everything yourself, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but just understand that that's the strategy of this particular course right here, okay? Now, in the course itself, there are 6 modules, there are 50 videos, and each of the videos are roughly between 3 and 10 minutes long. So not too bad, actually. A pretty decent course, over the shoulder. Thomas is going to show you how to get started and get going, right? Now, inside of the course, he's going to teach you things, first of all about YouTube, right? So the YouTube studio, how do you create your channel? How do you pick your niche? That's really important, okay? What niche do you want to be in? What kind of content do you want to create? Then the second thing is all about creating the videos, right? How do you create the video? How do you structure it? What tools do you use? How do you record your screen, the screen recorders, things like that? Because you're not going to be showing your face. You're essentially going to be let me see if I can do it on I can't do it right now, but you would just be showing your screen just like I'm doing right now, except you can't see your face. I've got this little square down here, right? You won't be able to see this. It's literally just your screen. You can also do presentations. You can do cartoon style videos. There's a lot of ways to create YouTube videos without necessarily showing your face. You can use cutscenes from pieces of software and things like that, all right? After that, uploading the videos. How do you monetize? Okay, so how do you get monetized? How do you get YouTube to pay you ad revenue through Google AdSense, right? And also, how do you promote affiliate offers so that when people click off your video to things that you want them to click on, and when you recommend stuff, how do you make affiliate commissions that way, okay? And then how do you upload, how do you promote your videos, and how do you get it to rank on the top, like Thomas's videos right here, so that when someone is going after a particular keyword phrase like, chat GPT or YouTube Shorts, or again, this one is copy and paste YouTube Shorts with chat GPT, how does your video rank and how do people find it, okay? So that's what the No Face YouTube course is all about. Now, this course is not expensive. It's $247. I think that's pretty okay for a YouTube course, right? It's not a super extensive program, but it's a decent program, so I think it's priced appropriately. $247, you can get an upsell right here for $97 if you want. Okay, he's going to give you his high ticket YouTube secrets, all right, for $97. upgrade. Again, not expensive, I think, right? And then there is a 30-day no questions asked refund, right? So there's a refund policy. I think it's well priced for what it is, right? This is not a super crazy extensive YouTube course, but for what it is, teaching you how to make faceless videos, how to do it all yourself, how to pick a niche, how to rank, how to monetize the channel, and how to promote affiliate offers for you to make money, I think it's pretty decent, honestly. I think you can get some really good results with this if you stick with the program. Okay, remember that anything that you do on YouTube is not easy. You have to understand that, right? Doing video, doing content on YouTube is a long-term business. Okay, there's nothing wrong with the business model. I think it's a great business model. I've made a lot of money off YouTube, right? But you have to understand that it requires you to put in a lot of consistent effort for a long period of time, because that's the way that the YouTube algorithm works. All right, and I think that Thomas's course will teach you how to do that. If you want to, get into a niche and create no-face videos, get it ranked over a long period of time, get monetized, get ad revenue from Google AdSense, and promote affiliate offers, I think it's a great strategy. YouTube is a really, really cool platform. It's going to be here for a very long time. I think that his course is priced very well. $247 is not expensive. There are a lot of YouTube courses that cost $1,000, $2,000, sometimes even more, right? But they have sometimes very different strategies. Okay, you have to understand that there are some courses out there that teach you how to build channels like what Thomas is doing right here. This is a branded channel. It's much more difficult to do than what he's teaching you here in the No Face YouTube course. This is more of a sniper style strategy. Okay, you go after specific keyword phrases, low competition, you don't show your face, and then you make money through promoting affiliate products, right? This is called a sniper strategy. This is more like a influencer strategy right here. His actual channel, this is, you're going down the influencer route, right? People know who he is, he's got massive following, big subscriber base, stuff like that. That's not what you're gonna learn inside of the No Face YouTube course, right? Which I think is better for a beginner, to be honest. So he's actually showing you some pretty good stuff here, right? So I think it's a pretty cool course. If you want to check it out, you can go to nofaceyoutube.com to check it out if you would like, all right? And that's my review of Thomas's No Face YouTube course, all right? Now, at any time, if you would like to, get a great way to generate income online. And YouTube is great. I love it, right? I've made a lot of money off YouTube. I generate a lot of leads through YouTube, ad revenue through YouTube, things like that. And there are a lot of different ways to make money on the internet, right? It's not just YouTube, okay? So if you would like to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, I still think that this is the most simple, straightforward way to do that. If you would like to check it out, go ahead and click the link below, and I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email if you would like to check that out. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Thomas's program, and I hope to see you on another product review. Take care.